let me share with you my do-it-yourself Montessori Inspired Movable Alphabet. Hi everyone, I am Kat of Homeschooling V and Z. If you are new to our channel, we share our homeschooling journey, the materials that we use, and the realities of homeschooling. So kung gusto niyo makapanood pa ng mga videos about homeschooling, please hit the subscribe button and share this with your friends. So, for a few months, I've been looking for Montessori Movable Alphabet online. Pero unfortunately, wala akong makitang material na gusto ko. And yung meron naman ako nakita, masyado siyang mahal for me. So, what I did was, instead of buying na lang, I made my own printable, and you can also download that printable. I will put the link sa description box and sa comment na rin ipipin ko para maklik ninyo and you can download that printable. So, I'll show you now our movable alphabet. So, I got this jewelry plastic container sa Shopee. 36 slots siya. I removed the divider. So, per box, nagkaroon ng 18 slots. So, dalawa yung kinuha kong box. Kasama na doon yung alphabet plus the number. So, I had the printable I made. I printed them. Tapos, nilaminate ko. Yan. So, para kumapal, lagyan natin siya ng foam board. So, naglilugan lang natin. And then, ribbons para madaling maiangat yung letters. So, here is our Montessori. Dumi pa. Ayan. So, meron siyang ribbon. Ito. Ito numbers pa ilalagay ko dyan. So, meron siyang ribbon kasi mahirap siyang kunin. So, pull this up para mas madali. And then, meron siyang foam sa likod para mas makapal. Mas madaling i-manipulate. There. I hope you enjoyed this printable. It's free printable of the movable alphabet na ginawa namin. So, if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So, again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.